Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemical Engineering Knowledge. In the previous lectures we have discussed about the mass transfer theories. We discussed the two film theory, the penetration theory, the surface renewal theory and the boundary layer theory. In this lecture we will discuss about the relation between the local mass transfer coefficient and the average mass transfer coefficient. The local mass transfer coefficient is denoted by Kx, while the average mass transfer coefficient is denoted by Kav. So there is a relation between the local mass transfer coefficient and the average mass transfer coefficient. First of all, we know from the Sherwood number that Sherwood number is equal to the Sherwood number is equal to the mass transfer coefficient and to the length, and this is the mass transfer diffusivity or diffusivity. So this is the mass transfer coefficient and the length, and this is the diffusivity. So the local Sherwood number is SH and 2x, which is the local Sherwood number, and this is the local mass transfer coefficient, and this is the x. And so this is the x. Suppose this is a plate, this is a plate surface, this one. Suppose this is a plate surface, and this is the x direction. X is equal to 0 here, this is the x. And at this position x is equal to L, and this is a plate surface. So the mass transfer coefficient at this position will be called Kx. Similarly, the mass transfer coefficient at various position will be called the local mass transfer coefficient. So the mass transfer coefficient at this position is Kx. Suppose Kx1. Similarly, the mass transfer coefficient at this position is Kx2. This is called the local mass transfer coefficient. Similarly, the mass transfer coefficient at this position is called Kx3. So the mass transfer coefficient at these various points are called the local mass transfer coefficient. And when we combine these local mass transfer coefficient, when we combine these local mass transfer coefficient, we will get the average mass transfer coefficient, which is given by the average mass transfer coefficient, which is denoted by Ka. So there is a relation between the local mass transfer coefficient and the average mass transfer coefficient. Now the local Sherwood number is Kx is equal to Kx, the local mass transfer coefficient, the x. This is the x direction, and this is the diffusivity of component A into the component B. Suppose this is a material, this is a plate surface which is covered with some soluble material. This is some soluble, suppose this is a soluble material. When the liquid is flowing on the surface of this plate, then material will be dissolving in the liquid water. So the diffusivity of component A, suppose this is a component A is present here, and this is the component B. So the diffusivity of component A in this component B will be given by dA/B. So this is the local Sherwood number. Now the average Sherwood number will be given when we combine the local mass transfer coefficient. We will get the average mass transfer coefficient, and this is the length of the plate here, and this is the diffusivity of component A into the component B. So what is the relation between the average and the local mass transfer coefficient? So let's see these relations from some correlations. Suppose we know that the local Sherwood number is Hx, it is equal to 0.332 and to Reynolds number to the power 1 over 2 and to the Schmidt number to the power 1 over 3. Similarly, we know that the Sherwood number is nothing but it is similarly, suppose this is equation number 1, equation A. Suppose we also know that the average Sherwood number is equal to 0.664 into the Reynolds number 1 over 2 into Schmidt number 1 over 3. This is equation number B, and this is the. Now we are going to show that how this equation number B is obtained from equation number A. So let's prove it. Now This is equation number A. We know that the local Sherwood number is equal to the local mass transfer coefficient at point X, and this is the X direction on the plate, and this is the diffusivity, which is equal to 0.332 into the Reynolds number to the power 1 over 2 into the Schmidt number to the power 1 over 3. Now further simplify. Suppose this is equation number C. Now simplify equation C, we will get that Kx, which is the local mass transfer coefficient, which is equal to the 0.332 into the diffusivity divided by X. Simply rearrange into the denominator, and this is the Reynolds number power 1 over 2 and the Schmidt number is 2 and Schmidt number 1 over 3. Now this is equation number D. Suppose this is equation number D. Now we know that there is that how the average this is the local mass transfer coefficient. Now we know that how the average mass transfer coefficient will be obtained. This is the KAV. So the average mass transfer coefficient is denoted by KAV, and it will be obtained if we combine, if we added the local mass transfer coefficient. Suppose these are all the local mass transfer coefficient. These dots, these circles are all the local mass transfer coefficient. So when we add these all local mass transfer coefficient, we will get the average mass transfer coefficient, which is denoted by KAV, and the average mass transfer coefficient is equal to 1 divided by length, which is the total length. At this position X is equal to L. So 1 over L into 0 to some X position. Suppose this is the X. This is X is equal to 0. At this point X is equal to 0, and it go on in this direction. So 0 to X and to the Kx, which is the local mass transfer coefficient, and to the dx. So the local mass transfer coefficient changes in the x direction. Therefore this is dxo, and this is the local mass transfer coefficient. So suppose equation number E. Now put equation D, which is equal to the local mass transfer coefficient Kx. Now put equation D in this equation number E. We will get the average mass transfer coefficient, and we will get the relation between the local and average mass transfer coefficient from this equation number E. So let's check it. Equation number E, we will write equation number E again, and we will find the relation between the average and local mass transfer coefficient. So let's check equation number E. So this was equation number E. It was the average mass transfer coefficient 1 divided by L 0 to x into Kx into dx. But this, what is this Kx? We will put the value of Kx from equation number D, which we have already obtained. Well, the Kx value is already given, which we have already obtained. So it is equal to KAV is 1 divided by L 0 to x 0.332 into diffusivity divided by x. This is the x. This is the diffusivity, and this is the Reynolds number, and this is the Schmidt number 3 into dx. Now this whole number is equal to Kx. We have already obtained this relation. So again this dx in the x direction only, x is changes, the local mass transfer coefficient is changes in the x direction. So this diffusivity is constant, Reynolds x is changes, and the Schmidt number is also constant. So constant will come out from the integral is L 1 over L and 0.332 and the diffusivity come out, it is DAB, and this is the L, and this is the come to the integral 0 to x. The Reynolds number is rho Vx divided by mu to the power 1 over 2, and the Schmidt number 1 over 3 into dx. So now this is constant, these two, this is also constant, this is also constant, only the x is changes, and this x is changes. So and this was the x, that's also come to the denominator, x is also come to the x. So suppose, and this is the average mass transfer coefficient, suppose this is equation number star. So from equation number star we will further simplify this equation. This 1 over x is come from this position, this is 1 over x here, 1 over x, so this is 1 over x in this position. So this equation number star is so from equation number star we will get average mass transfer coefficient is equal to 0.332 into diffusivity of A and B divided by L into rho V divided by mu, which come out from the integral, and a Schmidt number has come out from the integral 1 over 3, and this is the 0 to x, this is 1 over x, and this is the x 1 over 2 into dx. Now after simplifying this integral we will get this integral can be simplified by a relation, the integral of x dx is equal to x square divided by 2 by using this formula like this type. So we will get the relation 0.332 into the diffusivity of A and B divided by L into rho V mu 1 over 2, Schmidt number 1 over 3, and if after simplify this integral we will get x to the power 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. This 2 will come to the numerator and it will multiply with this number, so it will give us 0.664. so this is the average mass transfer coefficient. Now suppose this is equation number n. Now further simplify equation number n, we will get, after further simplify equation number n we will get average mass transfer coefficient, we will get 0.664 into diffusivity of A and B divided by L into the Reynolds number 1 over 2 and Schmidt number 1 over 3. This is the average. This is the average mass transfer coefficient. This is the average mass transfer coefficient. Now suppose this is equation number f. Now simplify equation f. We will get, this will come to this side. It will give us k average mass transfer coefficient, and the length, total length of this plate, total length, this is the total length, and the divided by the diffusivity, and the diffusivity of this material in the liquid water, KAV into L divided by DAB, and this KAV into L divided by DAB is nothing but the average Sherwood number, average Sherwood number, and it is equal to 0.664 Reynolds number 1 over 2 and Schmidt number 1 over 3. So this is the average Sherwood number. Now suppose this is equation number I. So this is the average Sherwood number. Equation number I. And we have already obtained that the local Sherwood number is, we have already given that the local Sherwood number is x into x divided by divisivity of A and B, which is equal to 0.332 into Reynolds number 1 over 2 and to the Smith number 1 over 3. This is the local Sherwood number. Suppose equation number P. And the previous equation, which was equation number I, which shows that the average Sherwood number is V. Sorry, this is the K. The local Sherwood number is the local mass transfer coefficient. This is the X, and this is the diffusivity of A and B. And this is the average Sherwood number is, this is the average mass transfer coefficient, average K. This is not the heat transfer coefficient, but this is the mass transfer coefficient, which is K. H is the heat transfer coefficient. So this is the average Sherwood number is equal to KAV into X divided by diffusivity of A and B, which is equal to 0.664 into Reynolds number into 1 over 2 to the power 1 over 2 and Schmidt number to the power 1 over 3, which was given in equation number I. So from equation I and equation number P, this is equation number P, this is equation P. So from equation P and equation I, if we compare equation I and equation P, we will get that if we multiply this local Sherwood number with, we multiply 2 with this local Sherwood number on both sides. So similarly, if we multiply 2 on this side, we will get this equation. If we multiply 2 with this equation, local Sherwood number, this is the local Sherwood number, this number, and if we multiply 2, we will get this number, and this number is the average Sherwood number. So when the local Sherwood number is multiplied by 2, we will get the average Sherwood number. So here is a relation between the local Sherwood number and the average Sherwood number, or when the average mass transfer coefficient is equal to when local mass transfer coefficient is multiplied by 2. So this equation and this equation show us the relation between the local mass transfer coefficient and the average mass transfer coefficient. Similarly, this equation shows us the relation between the average mass transfer coefficient and the local mass transfer coefficient. So this is all about the relation between the average and local mass transfer coefficient. Thanks. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.